Sometimes I wake up with an idea planted in my head. I don't know if that's common or if that's just me. But it's a curse, really. Because then I have to try it out and find out if it's possible. So this morning I thought it would be nice to be able to paint with an emission shader instead of paint. What I mean with that is, and of course I already figured out how this could work, is that you take a default cube, create a new image texture to paint on, and then create two new shaders and a mix shader node. And then we take our first image as a vector setting for the mix shader node. So now one shader can be a color and the other an emission shader. And we created a lamp of some sort. Add some volume to make it more visible. There. Then a new idea popped into my head. Why not use this technique to paint rust? So I started from scratch again and recorded my screen for you guys, because why waste a good tutorial opportunity? You take a default cube, create a new image texture, create two new materials, one for metal, one for rust, and now we can paint rust on a cube. How about that? There are of course other ways to achieve a similar effect. This way might have some benefits. I don't know. I really don't know.